Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can share Telegram group link. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Telegram. Click on that and you need to update your Telegram application first by clicking on this update button. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and you simply need to do is to open your Telegram application. So let me search my Telegram application and open that. Once you open, you select group, click on group name. Here you can see link, click on that, copy link, and now you can share that link anywhere and invite your friends to that group as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.